Hey, what's going on, y'all? Meatless Monday. We cooking squash blossoms today. Stuffed squash blossoms, that is. And hey, we got a friend that's doing Meatless Monday with us today. And that would be Cooking Meals with Katrine G. Her link will be down at the bottom in the description below. And hey, if you're coming over from her video, welcome, G Squad. Glad to have you here. But anyway, y'all know what time it is. Let's get it. So check out these beautiful squash blossoms I pulled out the garden, y'all. Now those had a fully squash on there. I say might as well pull those too. It's too cold for them. So first thing we need to do, we need to go ahead and get these rinsed out thoroughly. You know, you want to make sure that there's no dirt or anything like that in there. Just make sure you rinse them real good. And once you get them rinsed out, you want to get them on a paper towel so they can dry. But hey, y'all, don't forget, give me that LSS, y'all. That LSS. That's that like, share, and subscribe. That like, share, and subscribe, y'all. But once we get those all cleaned up, we're going to store it on our stuffing. Now we're coming in with 2 tablespoons, healthy tablespoons of ricotta cheese. And then we're coming in with some sharp cheddar cheese. Now you can use any kind of cheese you want, y'all. Any kind. Now after I get our cheese in, we're going to come in and rain on it with some basil. And then we're going to give that a mix. Mix it up really well so we can get a little bit of that in every bite. So now it's time to start stuffing, y'all. So what we want to do, we want to open the blossom up. Now this is the stamen. Now you can remove that if you want to, but I always leave mine in. And we're simply going to get us a spoonful of our mixture. Stuff it down a little bit and slowly twist it and close the top of that flour up using the cheese mixture to help keep it closed. One more time, y'all. One more time. Get in our mixture. Stuff it down just a little bit. Then slowly squeeze up and slowly twist it until we get our blossom closed. Sometimes you might have to go back and, check one, make sure it stays closed. Now this is the one with the zucchini attached to it. And it's just the same thing, y'all. Stuff it. Work it down. Now to a bowl, I've added 3 tablespoons of flour and a tablespoon of baking powder. Now I'm going to rain on this flour, hit it with a little salt, a little pepper. You got to season up your flour a little bit, y'all. You got to season it up. Now once we get it good and seasoned, we're going to start adding in our water. Now what you want to do is you want to slowly add in your water until you get a consistency like pancake batter, but actually just a little bit thinner. And the best way to achieve that is by slowly adding in your water. Now I used about a half a cup, but you don't want to go by that. Just add it in really slowly, y'all, and it'll come out perfect every time. Now this here is about what we're looking for, but it's a little bit too thick. So I'm just gonna add just a little bit of water to bring it up, thin it out just a little bit, so I can get that perfect consistency. Now once we got that all done, hey, it's time to dip our zucchini and fry them up, y'all. Oh yeah, give them that dippy dip and get them into that hot 350 degree vegetable oil. Oh yeah, just roll them around. Get them right into that hot oil. Oh yeah, these gonna be tasty. So tasty, y'all, so tasty. Look at that yummy. That yummy. That's that whole zucchini and that flour on top. Oh my goodness. That's what I'm talking about. Them gonna be really good, y'all. Now once we get that nice golden brown color on one side, it's time to give them a flippy flip. Now of course, these wanted to be difficulty. They ain't want to act right. They ain't want to flip for me right off top. But that's okay. They worth it, y'all. They really worth it. Oh yeah. And you know you want to be careful flipping these because they are very delicate, y'all. And oh yeah, once you get that beautiful golden brown color like this, guess what, y'all? It's about time to eat. So let's start taking them on out. And oh my goodness, they look good. Now as soon as you take yours out, I didn't get this on camera, but while they still hot, go ahead and hit them with a little salt right on top. And after we played up, this is what it looked like. And as you can see, I got me a nice little lunch. Even though I know my wifey, she gonna take her a few. Oh my goodness, that's tasty. Oh my goodness. But anyway, y'all know what time it is. Love, peace, and keep it grilling, y'all. See ya.